Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Let's do some maths. Open Falcon Mathematics of class 5 and our topic is Pakistani place value system. On page number 7 we are doing Pakistani place value system of numbers and operations, unit number 1. Let's understand first international place value and difference between Pakistan place value system. Students, you can see here I have a chart of international place value and Pakistani place value chart. Here is the difference. International place value starts from units, then thousands, then we go to millions and so on, billions. Against each heading we have 3 columns: units, tens and hundreds. Same as that, see in Pakistani place value chart we have units, thousands, then lakhs and crores. I am explaining the smallest 8-digit number. We will discuss today 8-digit number. In international place value it called 10 million and in Pakistani place value it will be 1 crore. Let's fill a number. Start from units. Same number I will fill in Pakistani place value chart. When we write a number or read, we start from the left side. According to these are same digits and having same place value. But when we read them in international place value, we will call 35,863,421. But according to Pakistani place value chart, we will read it like this: 3,58,63,421. Here C equal to crore and L equal to lakh. TC equal to 10 crore and TL stands for 10 lakh. If we write this number in words, we will write like this: 3 crores 50 8 lakhs 63,000 thousands 400 and 21. Understand one thing more. When we put commas according to international place value, we put a comma after every 3 digit. But in Pakistani place value, first we place comma after 3 digits because against the units we have 3 columns. After 3 digits we will place a comma, and then after every 2 digits we place comma, because we have 2 columns against thousands heading and against lakhs and crore and so on each. So we fill comma after every 2 digits. Now let's recall. If we have 100,000 in international, according to international place value system, we fill after 3 digit comma, and according to Pakistani place value, first comma after 3 digit, second after 2 digit. According to international place value, it is it is 10,100,000, and according to Pakistani place value it is 1 lakh. Same like this, if we have 10 millions, according to Pakistani place value it will be called 10 lakhs. Ten millions equal to 1 crore. This is 1 million. 10 millions equal to 1 crore, and 100 millions equal to 10 crore. Understand, students, the difference between international place value and Pakistani place value? Let's do practice some exercises in your chapter numbers and operations. Open page number 8 and see exercise 6. What we have to do here. Exercise 6, with the statement, write the numbers in words using the Pakistani place value system. Let's solve this exercise. When we read numbers, we start from the left side and we will start writing from the left side. First, count the digits. According to Pakistani place value system, see, first comma is after 3 digits, second and third after 2 digits. It is 5 crore 60 67 lakhs 20 thousands 562. With the same procedure, following the same process, we will solve the remaining parts of this exercise. This is, when we write this amount in words, we will write 3 crore 26 lakhs 52,600 and 79. Move to C part. Write in words 4 crore 35 lakhs 65,700 and 64. It is very easy to understand Pakistani place value system. The 8th digit stands at crores place value, so we will write here 4 crore 54 lakhs 51,000 456. Let's solve the E part. Start from 2 crore, then 37 lakhs 77,000 675. Let's see the next part of this exercise. Fill हो गया. Okay students, see, we have completed our exercise 6, which was write the numbers in words according to Pakistani place value system. We have done. Now let's move to exercise 7 on page number 8 and see what we have to do here. The statement asking write down the values of the digits in boxes in Pakistani place value system. the digits. You can see here in the box we write the place value of these digits. As you understand the table first, according to this we will write the place value against each. In the A part we have digit 5, which is on the 5th place, and according to Pakistani place value system, at the 5th place it is see in the Pakistani place value chart, according to 5th digit it stands for 10,000. So we can see 5 is at the 5th place, 10,000, it means it is 50,000. 50,000. Okay, students, let's start exercise 7 on page number 8. And what we have to do here, we have the statement asking that write down the values of the digits in boxes in Pakistani place value system. You can see here in A part we have 5 in a box, B part we have 3 in a box, same in C part we have 4. Now what we have to do, we will find the place value of these digits and then write against each digit. 5 is at 5th place, and we know that according to Pakistani place value chart, at the 5th place is 10,000. It means we have in A part 5 as 50,000. Write like this, 50,000. Next, in the B part we have 3 in a box, and it is 7th. Which means we have lakh. See, according to Pakistani place value chart, first 3 digit, then 2, then 2 digits, total 6 and 7. 7th means we have 10 lakh, 3's position is 10 lakh, it means we have 30 lakh. 3's according to place value stands for 30 lakhs. Next, 4 is a third digit, which means it stands on hundreds. So we have 4 hundreds. Next, in the D part, 1, which means we have 10,000. One has place value as 10,000, so we have 10,000. Now last E part, we have 8 digit number and the box number is 8th position, has 8th position, so it means it has the value of crore, and we have 2 crore in box. students, we have complete our exercise 7. Let's move to next topic, which is addition. Now we have to learn how we can add the numbers. Exercise 8 on page number 9. Do you remember when we add numbers, we start from units column, then we move to tens, and then hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s, and so on. So let's start exercise 8, addition. We have to add these numbers. When we write or read any number, we start from left side. When we add or subtract or any type of operation with these numbers, we start from right side. Add all these numbers, 9 and 4, 13, 3, take 1 carry, 11, then 1 carry again, add hundreds and convert, 2 and 4, 6, and 1, 7. Next, we have international, according to international place value system value. How we guess it? See, the commas are placed after every 3 digit. Now add 8 and 2, which is 10. Hundreds, take a carry on 7, add 7 and 9, 16, add 1, which is circled as a carry, 17, take again 1 carry, it will be 14, 4, shift 1 as a carry, now add 5 and 6, which is 11, and then add circle digit, it will be 12. Same like that, start from units and move to tens and hundreds and so on. Add each question given. 3 and 2, 5, again 3 and 2, 5, 2 and 1, 3, 9 and 0, 9, 7, 10, take 1 carry, 10 and 1, 11, again 1 carry, 8 and 1, 9. Next, C part, 4, 5, 1 and 2, 3, 0 and 1, it will be remain 1 because 0 has no power to increase or decrease a number. 9 and 0, 9, 2 and 3, 5, 7 and 9, 16, 6, take 1 carry, add the next digit, then 6 and 7, 13, add 1, 14. Let's see what we have to do in exercise 8. Next part, I am doing F part. You can solve each of the question with the same process. Now we have 3 numbers to add. Add first 2 digits, then 1 and 2, 3. Now add 1, 3 and 1, 4. This is the process to add three numbers. Add first two numbers, then add third number in the answer. 9 and 3. 12. 12 and 1, 13. Write 3 in the answer. Take 1 carry to the next digit. 2 and 0. 2. Add 9. It will be 11. Then in the last add circle digit which is 1. 12. Write 2 in the answer and shift 1 to the next digit as a carry digit. Now add all these three digits or numbers. 10 and 1, 11. Take 1 carry. 18 and 1, 19. 9. Take 1 carry. 14. Then 18. 1 and 1, 2. Let's solve the next three number value. Now we have three numbers to add. Following the same process, we will add first two digits. 8 and 4, 12. 0 means nothing. Write 2 in the answer. Take 1 carry to tens. 5 and 5, 10. 1, 11. Carried 1 ऐड करें. It will be 12. टेंस हंड्रेड्स में कन्वर्ट हो गए. टेंस नीचे और हंड्रेड्स वाला कैरी against the hundreds. Now add the hundreds column. 5 and 9, 14. 14 and 8, 22 and 1, 23. Write 3 in answer. Take 1 carry to the next column. 12, 2. Add all three numbers. It will be 11. 1 and take 1 carry to next column. Now add all these three numbers. It will be 5. Next three digits. It is 9, 8 and 6. 14, 4. Take 1 carry to next column. 1 and 1, 2. We have nothing to add in 3. Write it as it is. When we add all these numbers, what we get? We have 3,249,512,322. Students, let's do some more practice of addition in exercise 9. See what we have to do in exercise 9. It is looking some tricky exercise. Let's make it easy to solve. See what we have to do. Find the number to replace the star in each question. This symbol shows the empty place. We have to fill this place with the digit, with the correct digit. See in the exercise, each question has its answer. But how we get this answer? We have to find the digit and fill in this empty place. This is very easy to find this question. Let's see how we can do this. Let's solve the exercise 9. We will follow the reverse method. Reverse method means when we add number, its reverse is subtract the number. ऐड करने से नंबर ज़्यादा लार्जर बन जाते हैं और माइनस करने से वो कम. See, we have 6 in answer. First digit is missing and second one we have 9, but answer is 6. How we get answer 6? Easy way is minus 6 from 9. रिवर्स मेथड मैंने बोला ना, तो एडिशन का रिवर्स माइनस सब्ट्रैक्शन. Subtract 6 from 9, it will be 3. See students, when we subtract 6 from 9, we get 3. Now we will write 3 in the empty space. I am going to fill this place. Now add 3 and 9 and see, 3 and 9 is 12. We will write 2 in answer place and carry 1 to the next column. Now add these two, 8 and 8, 16. Add 1, circle digit, the carry digit. Answer will be 17. Write 7 in answer. You can see 7 already has written. Carry 1 to the next digit. Now add all these 3 digits and you can see we get 10 as answer. 0 has already written, 1 carried. Now 1 and 3, 4 carry digit add करें 5. You can see our question is going correct. Next we have 8 and 8. When we answer, use reverse method here. आंसर में से जो डिजिट आपके पास है उसको माइनस कर दें. सी मैं इधर रफली वर्क कर रही हूँ. 8 minus 8 we will get 0. Okay students, now fill this 0. And remove the star from here, and you can see when we add 0 and 8 we get the answer 8. Go to the next and remove the last star from this question by using the same process, the reverse method. We have 7 in answer and we have 4 in question. Subtract 4 from 7. See, we have 3 in answer. Let's check. Fill 3 at the place of star. Now add 4 and 3. Answer will be 7. With this process, we will solve the whole exercise of 9. Let's do it fastly. Minus 1 from 2, it will be 1. Now add 1 and 1, answer will be 2. We have 1 carried digit here. How? See, 9 and 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry. Now what we have to write here? 9 minus 1, 8. Now add 1 and 8, answer will be 9. थोड़ी सी tricky exercise है, but if you understand it, you can solve it on your fingertips. Next is 6 and 8. Minus 6 from 8, you will be get 2. Fill it here. Now add 2 and 6, answer will be 8. Check. Now see, we have one carried digit here. How? Because you can see, students, 7 and 7 equal to 14. 4 is at the place of answer, and we have to write here 1 as a carry. Now find out the digit what we have to write here. First of all, we have 6 in the question and we have 9 in the answer. Minus 6 from 9, we will get 3. Write 3 at the place of star. Now add all 3 digits, 1, 5 and 3. You will be get 9. Your answer is checked and it is correct. Let's do next C part of this exercise. We have answer 2 and we have 2 in the question, so add 0 here. One and 9, 10, 0. We also have one carried digit here. Then okay, students, do very carefully. See, we have 18. In the answer place, you can see 8 is here, but to find the missing number, we have to operate all the digits. So write 1 as a carried digit here and then minus and see what we have to write here. Here we have 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 is in the answer and 1 at the carry place. Now 7 and 7, 14, 4. And take 1 carry here. Now minus 1 from 7 and write 6 here. Add all 3 numbers and we will get 14. 14 is in the answer place. Okay, students, we have done A, B and C part. Now let's move to next D, E and F part and let's find out the missing digits of this exercise. Let's do it quickly. Minus 1 from 2 and write 1 at the star place. Then 5, minus 5 from 6, answer will be 1, write 1 here. To check, add these numbers again. 5 and 1 is 6. It means we are going right. Then add all these numbers accordingly. 4 and 8, 12. We have 2 in the answer, but we don't have 1 as a carried digit. Show here the carried digit, then add all these 3 digits. Answer will be 12. We have 2 in the answer place. Show here the carried digit. Now add 1 and 5, which is 6, minus 2 from 6, you will be get 4. Write 4 at the star place and your answer is 6. Okay students, let's see what we have to do in E part. We have 0 and 9. It means when we minus 0 from 9, answer will be 9. Write 9 at the star place. Now add 9 and 0, answer will be 9. You can check your answer gradually. 0 and 0 is 0. The easy way to get the right answer is add the whole numbers, all numbers. Don't use the shortcut. 9 and 2, 11, 1, carry 1 here. Now what we have to write here, if we write 2, then 9, 11, 10, 11, 1 is in the answer and carry 1 here. 8 and 7, 16, write 6 here, take 1 carry. Now 5 and 7, 12 and 1, 13, 3 is in the answer, 1 you have to take carry at the next place. Now 1 and 6, you have 7 in the question place, minus 7 from 12, you will get 5, write this 5 at the star place. Now add all these 3 digits, you will be get 12 and your answer is checked, it is correct. Let's move to last part of this exercise, F. This is a little bit tricky exercise, but you can solve easily if you understand what is the trick. Minus 7, 5 from 7, answer will be 2. Now add 2 and 7, 2 and 5, your answer will be 7. 7 and 5, 12, you have 2, but show here the carried digit. Now 1 and 6 is 7. यहाँ तक हमारा क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखें, we have nothing here. 9 में से 0 माइनस करें, 9. अब 9 में 0 प्लस करें तो 9. नेक्स्ट 9 and 6, 15. 5 has shown in the answer box, but you have to show 1 as a carried digit. Now you have 3 in your question and 4 in your answer. Minus 3 from 4, you will get 1. Write 1 at the place of star. Now add all 3 digits. You can check that your answer is right. See 1 and 2, 3 and add carried digit, you will be get 4. The answer is 4. With this process you can solve any type of question and you can find any missing number. Students, I hope you understand how to solve this type of exercise. We have complete our exercise 9. I think it was a little bit difficult to solve. Practice it well, practice all the questions. Then we will start our next exercise 10 with the word problems. Till then, practice and take care. Allah Hafiz.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।